Ay, 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 ay. Gosh, that sounds like thunder. Lord have mercy. Oh my. I see movement through the cracks. What the hell are they doing? They are destroying all my stuff out there. Damn it. I can't see through the crack. I can't. What are they doing? Oh. Oh, I swear. Oh. There's got to be a way for me to see out there without the dogs getting out. Oh. Puppy, get out of the way, weasel. I got. Where is Tippy? I don't know. Puppy, knock it off. I'm trying to spy, damn it. You watch. There's gonna be something there and I'm not gonna be able to spy. This is not working. I can't get out the dog door. Are you kidding me? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I can't even see out the dog door. Puppy, stop it. I can't spy for shit. Oh. I see the dumpster. There's the dumpster right there. Okay. Well. Holy mackerel. Oh, he said they weren't going to take my stuff. They totally messed my stuff up to no end out here. You got to be kidding me. Oh. Let me see if I can turn my camera. I don't know what I'm seeing right. I got the camera turned a weird way, so somebody's gonna see me doing this. I don't care. I'm trying to protect my own interest here. Oh. Anybody can tell me what I'm seeing? Because I don't know. I heard it. Hell, I'm curious. I can't see what I'm seeing. I'm inside here. This sucks. I swear I have the weirdest life ever. The weirdest life ever. I'm not kidding. I need to change something. I'm not sure what, but boy, I need to change something. This is just insanity. Is there men's out there? I know that. Are there men's out there? Where's the men? I can't believe this. I can't believe how much crap they tore out here. And they're throwing shingles down on my damn plants. You gotta be kidding me. I can't wait to watch this back and see what the hell's going on. Okay, I'm bringing my phone in. I'm tired of this. Okay. Oh, okay, I spied. Oh, no, Tippy. Oh no, the little monster's awake. Get back. Yeah, I know, the phone's going everywhere. Okay. I can't wait. I can't see you. Hold on. What's that? There you are. Tippy! Puppy! No, you can't. No, we're not going out. You gotta stay in here. Sorry. You better get back to. Okay, I'm having a time. What the hell was that? Oh, good grief. Who's else? Okay. Yeah. What's going on in there? Oh, I can't see shit in there. That's the kitchen in there. Oh, see my lizard? That when I come in, the lizard greets me. And the streamers. And my bed, it's all messed up because I was sleeping in it. Oh, there's more men's. Look, men's. What are they doing out there? Dudes. I don't want that one. Kidding. I'm not going to be happy when I get out of here at all. I'm telling you. Lies, lied to me. Ooh. Lied to me. Okay. Oh, I'm all right for a minute, but oh boy. Okay, I'm getting to the irritation zone real quick. It's Hispanic and it's black and it's that's dang it, that's DB and a man. Look there. It's numb nuts and a man. I shouldn't do that, but dang. He's been pissing me off. Oops, sorry. My foot's going numb. Oh, he's got his glasses on. Look at that.